Since our senior summit several years ago, and with the help of our Commission on Aging, we've worked hard to make Montgomery County a community for a lifetime for everyone. Undeterred by the national recession and the tight local budgets, we've improved programs and services that help Montgomery County residents thrive as we age. In short, we've expanded ways for boomers and older persons to get around the county, to engage in meaningful activities, to get to health and supportive services, to access affordable housing, and to benefit from safety initiatives. Further, we've improved our outreach to inform more people about these benefits and services. Let's review the highlights.
Good connection between people and places are key to enjoying Montgomery County. That is why we provide free weekday hours on our ride-on bus service for people 65 and older, and reduce fares at all other times. All of our buses and 90% of our bus stops are accessible. We have also introduced convenient transportation for seniors traveling to and from their local senior centers. And through Connect the Ride, we have tripled the number of people 50 and older who are connecting with transportation option so they can get around car-free. Our expanded subsidized call and ride taxi service for low-income seniors 67 and older now serves 5,000 people a year. We have introduced escorted transportation service for low-income residents with cognitive challenges who need assistance getting to medical appointments. Walking in our neighborhood is fun, healthy, and a good way to visit friends and local establishments. In the last 8 years, we have built 175 miles of new sidewalk and 6,000 new ramps, while upgrading another 35 miles of sidewalk and ramps to meet ADA standards. We have made walking safer. At 2/3 of county traffic lights, we have provided pedestrians more time to cross the road, and we have installed methods to slow traffic and give pedestrians safer places to cross. Since 2010, the most severe pedestrian collisions have been reduced by 28%, and we have seen significant collision and speed reduction in areas where we install traffic calming measures. Furthermore, we have been educating people about safety in parking lots where 1 in 4 pedestrian collisions occur.
Villages are neighborhood organizations that provide social connection and friendly assistance to help people stay in their community as they age. We're excited to report that we now have 16 active villages in Montgomery County, with 9 more in development. We've also expanded ways to help people stay strong by offering more exercise classes, bone builder classes, programs to assist those with chronic medical conditions, and much more. And we've expanded nutrition programs. Today, 4,400 people enjoy lunch at sites across the county, and we've doubled the number of home-delivered meals to reach 2,000 older persons. To help our frail elderly with modest income, we've continued to provide subsidies for a limited number of group home and assisted living residents, as well as medical and personal care services such as in-home nurse monitoring, friendly visitors, escorted grocery shopping, legal assistance, case management, chore services, and public guardianship. To help family caregivers, we've extended adult day program subsidies to cover 2 days per week while continuing short-term respite services. Finally, to protect the rights of residents in 190 assisted living facilities and 34 nursing homes, we've expanded our Ombudsman program, which advocates for residents and investigates complaints.
Our 5 senior centers have become even more accessible and engaging, with expanded hours and programs that include exercise classes, lectures, cultural programs, mini trips, and much more. At the same time, boomers and older persons are taking advantage of Montgomery County's rich offerings at dozens of county recreation centers and other facilities. Thousands of older adults swim at our aquatics facilities, and thousands more take advantage of discounted weekday weight rooms and fitness clinics. And health and wellness classes are very popular, with 60% more offerings than before. Everything from Tai Chi to Zumba. Finally, thousands more are accessing Recreation Center mini trips, outdoor adventures, and of course, the Maryland Senior Olympics.
Four years ago, our Montgomery County Volunteer Center updated its website. Since then, several thousand have volunteered through montgomeryserves.org, and 500 seniors volunteer annually as part of RSVP. We also have volunteer programs that bring seniors and youth together, including the Summer Grand Readers Program at libraries, as well as Interages, where seniors mentor children and youth visit individuals living in facilities. And more people are enjoying expanded classes and lectures through Montgomery College, Lifelong Learning Institute, Live and Learn, and OASIS.
Libraries open doors to literature, enrichment, and community. So as soon as we could, we increased operating hours by 11% and conducted major renovations to enable larger collections and more meeting space. And we've expanded technology classes in using computers and devices, sharing via Facebook and using email, while continuing to offer classes in finance, health, consumer issues, English language learning, and much more. To help people find work, the county has continued to sponsor the annual 50+ Employment Expo, and our public libraries have continued to provide a wide array of online education, career, and employment resources. Finally, to improve access to free ride-on service, we made the Senior Smart Card available at every Montgomery County Public Library.
Changes in the demographics and economics of Montgomery County, driven by the Great Recession, the housing crisis, and the aging of the population, has created significant demand for quality rental housing throughout the county. To address this issue, Montgomery County Department of Housing and Community Affairs has partnered with its for-profit and not-for-profit partners to produce and preserve additional quality, affordable rental housing. The county also is helping seniors age in place through its property tax credit. For those who fill out the application and qualify, the county provides the property tax credit for homeowners with limited assets. And beginning in 2015, the county doubled the rate of the additional senior credit and extends it to all homeowners age 65+.
Montgomery County expanded the Design for Life program to provide property tax credits for homeowners to help offset costs to make their homes more accessible for all. Tax credits are available for accessible features such as wider entry doors that accommodate wheelchairs, no-step entry into homes, better bathroom access, or other accessibility features.
We've improved fire and rescue services by building 5 fire rescue stations and adding a firefighter-paramedic to 28 fire engines. By investing in operations, personnel, and equipment, we've improved emergency response times for all county residents in the last 4 years. And quicker response times translates into lives saved. Montgomery County Fire Rescue Services also initiated weekly visits to the homes of elderly residents to address fire safety risks and tripping hazards, while also ensuring they have a home escape plan. These and other fire safety task force recommendations have contributed to a reduction in fire deaths among seniors to less than half the number we had when we began the effort several years ago.
The Montgomery County Police Department has established an investigative domestic violence elder abuse section and is also a founding member of the county's Elder and Vulnerable Adult Abuse Task Force. Officers conduct home security surveys to make seniors safer in their homes. We've launched initiatives to help locate missing seniors. Project Lifesaver can provide tracking bracelets for those with Alzheimer's disease. Our Keeping Seniors Safe crime prevention outreach program, along with presentations from community outreach officers and command staff, reach thousands of seniors each year. Topics include financial crimes and other frauds and scams, as well as identity theft, shopping safety, and emergency preparedness.
Between 2010 and 2040, the Montgomery County senior population is projected to grow from 120,000 to 255,000, a growth of 113%. In recognition of that changing demographic, in 2014, the State's Attorney's Office created the Crimes Against Seniors and Vulnerable Adults Unit to aggressively prosecute crimes against seniors, including physical abuse, financial exploitation, and neglect.
We're interested in making people aware of all the new and continuing programs, services, and discounts for boomers and older persons. We've strengthened and we've expanded our communications and outreach. First, we initiated our 311 call center so that answers to questions about county programs and services are just a phone call away. We also built a seniors website on montgomerycountymd.gov/senior, offering information online and in one place. And we develop fact sheets we distribute throughout the community on topics such as transportation options, vital living, older driver safety, and caregiver supports. Additionally, we offer information bi-monthly via the paperless airplane, which reaches 140,000 e-subscribers. And finally, we produce Seniors Today, a broadcast program available on county cable and online, which recently celebrated its 15th year and 150th episode.
So, we've accomplished quite a bit in the past 8 years. Today, the County Executive Summit on Aging, let's identify what we might do over the next 3 years to make Montgomery County an even more attractive and successful community for a lifetime.